Hey guys, welcome to Phone Browser. Today I'm in the train to another city. This time I'll bring you the Nubia Neo3GT 5G. And this is a mecha designed gaming device from Nubia. Today I'm going to have a quick unboxing video about this phone, and I will also talk about the main features about the device. So now we open the box. Here's the phone. So we're protected in the plastic cover from the protective film. We can find the basic information about the device. This time is powered by T9100 2.7 GHz gaming chip, outcome cooling system, superior display 6.8 OLED FHD+, and also the big battery 6080 watt fast charging. Now, before we check more about the device, the smartphone, we can check other accessories first. So under the phone, first the stuff in the box. Here is the plastic. Stuff in the soft plastic bag is SIM card ejector, warranty card. Yes. Also to provide. Okay, this is the, I think it's quick start. Yes, the quick start about the device. Oh, start guide about the SIM card slots. Main features like the breathing light. Okay, let's put it aside. And yes, cable. Type-C red color cable. This time for the battery, as I mentioned, 6000 mAh battery with 80 watts fast charging. Charger. If you use it heavily, normally the standby time can reach to 14 hours. And if you just play games, just play some videos, about 12 to 13 hours. And for the charger, if you use this 80 watt fast charging, normally 30 minutes you can get 80% battery. Want to play games and charging it at the same time, it will also not be overheated because you use the special charging technology. Yes, here's the phone in front of us. Now I'm in the train, so sometimes I get a bright light. If we enter the tunnel, yes, we will have the dark environment. So now we can check more details about appearance. So it's a fluorescent light and dual camera, special shape. Also they have the Neo gaming element will implemented in this phone. And for this maker design phone, they provide two colors, black and yellow. Personally, I really like this yellow color, and this below back panel really remind me of the Transformers Bumblebee. Nubia by yourself. And let's wake up the screen and hit OS. Yes, and this time for this phone they used a 6.8-inch OLED screen, straight screen. We support 100 Hz refresh rate and support 160 Hz high frequency PWM brightness adjustment. Peak brightness reach to 1300 nits. This means you can still see the screen cleanly even in the strong sunshine. And here we entered the endings. Let me check more information. It's the Android 15 based OS. It's used 6nm, sorry, not 8nm, 6nm EUV GPU, octa-core processor, GPU Mali G57. For the Antutu score is reached to around 500,000 scores, and if you play games, normally can get 55 FPS after 30 minutes. Here's the camera. Let's get a 50 megapixel main one camera and 60 megapixel front camera and 2 megapixel deep camera. These are two. We can take a picture through the window of the train. Yes, very smoothly, and I switch it from different interface. And even though the train is run very fast, this can capture preciously. Yes. This front one. Front camera. And this phone is also support AI function, and they put the AI words in the front of the box. So this is also the main features about device. And also the 50 megapixel main camera works with 2 megapixel deep camera. It also supports portrait mode and the bokeh. Also the front 60 megapixel can meet most of our daily needs. And also AI function really improves the snapshot. Also this 2 megapixel deep sense can make the portrait mode more natural. Okay, yeah. Let's take a quick picture. This is a zoom performance. Even in a very weak light and high dynamic circumstance, it can also get a better high quality images, and you can also find more details in the picture. This is more function of our device we can use. Very useful. Okay, so this is today's May quick unboxing and content about Nubia Neo3GT. Let's attend the video for more questions from here. Bye bye.